In the world of pageantry, one basic but very essential skill we should have is how to do makeup. Makeup is something which presents ourselves in more polished way. So, there are some tips which I would like to share with you. First, which makeup products to be bought? It is very important for us to know that which is the right and suitable makeup products for us. Second, how to do makeup. If you do not know how to do makeup, you cannot last more in this industry, because every time it is not possible for you to go to a professional makeup artist, because first it turns out very expensive, and second it is very time consuming, and third you are dependent on someone else every time. So it's very important for you to learn makeup. Third, there are types of makeup. For interviews, makeup is different. For every day, there is different makeup. On the stage, for ramp, there is different makeup. So there are types of makeup one should learn. And fourth, which makeup to wear when. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay connected and see you soon. Thank you.